day mga ka-journey. So now, are you ready for another recipe from Kuya Chito? A healthy recipe towards a healthier you. Alright, if you want, we are going to do a salad. It's a vegetable salad with a little twist, with a fruity salad. Okay, what are the ingredients of our vegetable salad? So here are the ingredients of our vegetable salad. It's very simple. Cucumber, 2, 1 big tomato, half a red pepper, half a lemon, parsley, salt and pepper, 3 spoonfuls of olive oil, and of course, our fruity insert. It's time for strawberry. Okay? So now, here's the procedure of making the vegetable salad. First, to slice the cucumber. To dice it. Make it diced. This way and this way. It's my favorite soup. So after, next is the tomato. Delicioso tomato. And the pepper. The next pepper. And wow, strawberry. Very fresh strawberry. And then the parsley. Okay. Set this aside. Okay, now you're feeling it. Now, okay, get 2 spoons for mixing, then the olive oil, and the lemon, my favorite lemon. I want to include yung mga buto. And salt and pepper. And then mix. Yeah. And yummy. So here it is, the very simple vegetable salad. It's yummy. you can combine this with the chicken breast. It's perfect combination. It's a perfect combination. Guys, remember the vegetable salad and the chicken breast? Here it is. Yes, it's a perfect combination. Very perfect. Ang sarap nito. Promise. Masarap to. So enjoy your day and have a nice day. It's me, Kuya Chito, saying shalom and see you next time.